Today we are going to explain the first lesson from our syllabus, which is fractions. Fractional number. Any whole number can be written in the form of fraction. Example 1. Change a whole number into a fraction form. 8 equals what divided by 1? We can multiply 1 by 8. 1 times 8 equals 8. 8 divided by 1 equals 8. Number B, 9 equals what divided by 1? Multiply 1 by 9. 1 times 9 equals 9. 9 divided by 1 equals 9. Number C, 6 equals what divided by 3? Multiply 3 by 6. 3 times 6 equals 18. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Number D, 7 equals what divided by 2? Equals 14. Number E, 5 equals what divided by 4? 20. 4 times 5 equals 20. 1, number F, 1 equals what divided by 9? Any number divided by itself equals 1. So 9 divided by 9 equals 1. We have a note. The fractions have two types. The first type, proper fraction. For example, 5 divided by 7 or 5 over 7. 5 is called numerator, 7 is called denominator. The improper fraction, the numerator less than denominator, 5 less than 7. Also, any proper fraction less than 1. Any proper fraction less than 1. The second type is improper fraction. The improper fraction, the numerator more than its denominator. 9 greater than 8. 9 over 8 is called improper fraction. Any improper fraction more than 1. Because, for example, 9 over 8 more than 1, 1 change into a fraction form, so 1 equals 8 over 8. 9 greater than 8. Note 2. The mixed number. 5 and 2 over 3 is called a mixed number. Any mixed number formed from a whole number, which is 5 in the example, and proper fraction 2 over 3. Any mixed number formed from a whole number and a proper fraction. Example 2. Change each of the following mixed numbers into an improper fraction. Example number A, 3.5. We will put the same denominator and multiply 2 by 3. 2 times 3 equals 6, and add the result to the numerator, which is 1. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 7 over 2. Number B, 5 and 2 over 3. Write the same denominator, 3, and multiply 3 by 5. 3 times 5 equals 15, plus 2 equals 17. Number C, 8 and half. Write the same denominator, which is 2, and multiply 2 by 8. 2 times 8 equals 16, plus 1 equals 17. Example 3. Change each of the following improper into a mixed number. Like 9 over 2, we want to change 9 over 2 into a mixed number. We will divide 9 divided by 2. What times 2 equals 9? We have 4 times 2 equals 8. It is the nearest result from 9. 4 times 2 equals 8. We subtract 9 and 8. 9 minus 8 equals 1. 1 is called numerator. 4 is called a whole number. And 2 is called denominator. Example B, 11 over 10. We'll divide 11 divided by 10. What times 10 equals 11? 1 times 10 equals 10. It is the nearest result from 11. The second step, we'll subtract 11 minus 10 equals 1. Therefore, the improper fraction 11 over 10 equals 1 is the numerator, 10 is the denominator, the quotient is a whole number. Number C, 17 over 5. Divide 17 divided by 5. What times 5 equals 17? 3 times 5 equals 15. It is the nearest result from 17. The second step, we will subtract 17 minus 15. 7 minus 5 equals 2. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Therefore, the mixed number will be 2 is a numerator, 5 is the denominator, 3 is a whole number. We can check 5 times 3 equals 15 plus 2 equals 17 over the same denominator. 5 over 3, the last example. 5 divided by 3. What times 3 equals 5? 1 times 3 equals 3. Subtract 5 minus 3 equals 2. Therefore, the mixed number will be 2 over 3, and the whole number will be 1. Second, equal fractions. if we have a fraction, if we multiply the numerator by 3, for example, we will multiply the denominator by 3 also. 2 times 3 equals 6, 3 times 3 equals 9, 2 over 3 equals 6 over 9. And also, if we have a fraction, if we divide the numerator by a value like 5, we must divide the denominator by the same value, which is 5. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. 10 over 15 equals 2 over 3. Example 4, complete. 1 over 3 equals 2 over what? 1 becomes 2. We multiply 1 by 2. We must multiply 3 by 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. 4 over 5 equals 12 over what? 4 becomes 12. We multiply 4 by 3. 2 becomes 12. So we multiply 5 by 3 also. 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 over 7 equals what over 21? We look at 7 becomes 21. We multiply 7 by 3. We must multiply 5 by 3 also. 5 times 3 equals 15. Number D, 3 over 8 equals what over 24? 8 becomes 24. 8 times 3 equals 24. We must multiply the numerator. 3 times 3 equals 9. Number E, 1 over 2 equals 10 over what? 1 becomes 10. We multiply 1 by 10. 2 becomes 10. So we multiply 2 by 10 equals 20. Number F, 6 over 8 equals 3 over what? 6 becomes 3. We will divide 6 by 2 to becomes 3. So we divide 8 also by 2. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Number G, 10 over 50 equals 1 over what? 10 becomes 1. 10 divided by 10 equals 1. So we'll divide 50 divided by 10 equals 5. Number H, 12 over 15 equals what over 5? 15 becomes 5. We will divide 15 by 3 to becomes 5. So we'll divide 12 by 3 equals 4. Number I, 28 over 70 equals what over 10? 70 becomes 10. We will divide 70 by 7 to becomes 10. So we will divide the numerator, which is 28 by 7 equals 4. The last, 16 over 20 equals what over 5? 20 becomes 5. We'll divide 20 by 4. So we'll divide 16 by 4 equals 4. Third, comparing fraction. To compare between two fractions, 2 over 3 and 5 over 8, we'll multiply 8 by 2 equals 16, and 3 multiplied by 5 equals 15. So 16 greater than 15, therefore 2 over 3 is greater than 5 over 8. Example number 5. Put greater or smaller or equal 2 over 5 and 3 over 10. Will cross multiplication 10 by 2 equals 20 and 5 by 3 equals 15. 20 greater than 15, so 2 over 5 greater than 3 over 10. Number B, 4 over 7 or 3 over 4. Cross multiplication, 4 times 4 equals 16. 7 times 3 equals 21. 21 greater than 16, so 3 over 4 greater than 4 over 7. Number C, 5 over 6 or 6 over 5. Multiply 5 by 5 equals 25. 6 times 6 equals 36. 36 greater than 25. 8 over 7 or 10 over 11. Multiply 11 by 8 equals 88. Multiply 7 by 10 equals 70. 88 greater than 70. Number E, 1 or 4 over 5. We will change the 1 into a fraction form. The denominator here is 5, so we will change 1 into 5 over 5. 5 over 5 greater than 4 over 5. 1 or 6 over 7. 6 over 7 is a proper fraction. 1 greater than any proper fraction. It is another method mentally. The mixed number 1 and 1 over 6 or 7 over 6. We'll change this mixed number into an improper fraction. Times 6 times 1 equals 6 plus 1, 7 over 6. Therefore, 7 over 6, 7 over 6, these fractions are equal. Number H, 3 and 2 over 5. Change this mixed number into an improper fraction. Multiply 5 by 3 equals 15 plus 2 equals 17 over the same denominator. 17 over 5 or 18 over 5. 18 over 5 is greater. 6 over 5 or 1 and 1/5. 1 and 1/5 means 1 and 1 over 5. It is a mixed number. Change it into an improper fraction. Time is plus. 5 times 1 equals 5 plus 1, 6 over 5. These two fractions are equal. Number G, mixed number and mixed number. Look at the first at whole numbers 8 and 7. 8 greater than 7. Therefore, this mixed number is greater than that mixed number. The last example, number K, 4 and a half, 4 and a third. The whole numbers are equal. Half or third. Cross multiplication, 3 times 1 equals 3. 2 times 1 equals 2. 3 greater than 2. Therefore, 4 and a half is greater than 4 and third. This is the end of the lesson. See you soon. Goodbye.